Hello guys, welcome to my first video with another YouTuber. This is also their first video, Camo Gaming. Their username is Camouflage8. Yeah, so, hi guys. They can't friend you. You wanna know why? Because, yeah. Watch it. Oh my god! Is that just an egg hit? Is that an egg? Is that one of the 2020? No, is that the egg? Is that one of the eggs? Okay. Anyways, enough with that nonsense, guys. Welcome to our very first video. I am recording on PokePro Gaming. He is recording on his channel, Camo Gaming. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this video because if you don't like this video, comment down in the comment section how we can make the videos better, what games we can play. Oh no, it's the gauntlet. Yikes! Ow! Winners can't. Oh, you won. Anyways, guys, we are playing Don't Press the Button 4. And I thought this would be a good idea for a first video because the possibilities are endless in this game. Really. Oh wow. This guy doesn't like our. Do we taste it? Ow! I can't get up. No, I'm being eaten. No. This guy just spit us out. He hates us. Guys, so yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give our videos some variety by making it so in a few minutes we will switch. We will switch into a different game, but do comment and subscribe if you want more. Don't press the button. It could be, and also comment down below whether what don't press the button we should do. Of course, you could probably tell by yeah. Anyways, so. We really do hope you like our video so far. Tell us how we can improve. And we've been trying to make a video like this for so long. So if you guys really like this, like seeing us record these in this game, tell us so and we will. Think fast. Ah! I got the coin, it's all worth it. I hate the thing fast. Okay, so, yeah. I will stop. Yeah. So, I will stop being so annoying with the subscribe button and the like button. And I'll just start simple. Yeah. Friend me if you want. My username is MegaCharmander9. PokePro Gaming. I actually made this account a while ago, but I decided I'd make my YouTube PokePro Gaming because I love Pokemon, and it fits with my name, honestly. Yeah. So, I hope you like we did hand draw our YouTube icons. I hate. Yeah. We did hand draw our YouTube icons. So I noticed a lot of other YouTubers don't. We just wanted to make it quick and simple. I hope you like the cute Pikachu. I put quite a bit of effort into it. Now we'll stop being annoying and let's play this game. Hey, I want that beach ball back. I want a refund. The reason we are going to... I'm winning! My butt's winning. I won! I died. No, I died first. I'm slightly in front of you. Yes, tumble! Okay. The reason we are going to leave the game in a few rounds is because don't press the button is just a sequence of... It's just a sequence of different things. Yeah. Subscribe if you want. Comment if you want a different YouTube icon. I think I like it for now. It's a good starter YouTube. Yes, comment down below what Roblox games you want us to play. Because we are all about... Oh god. We must hurry to the ground. Yeah, look at this beautiful stack. Why'd you note that? Why'd you note that someone's name was... username was Ben? Ah! But why do you care? Guys, for future reference, it's not safe to put your names in Roblox. It's not the safest to put your name as your username. I'm pretty sure Roblox tries to note that. If you're older and hey, Unicorn Gamer T. Wait, I'm pretty sure that's a YouTuber.
It's not.
Well, people usually do the T if they are YouTubers. Yeah, well, how funny would it be if they were recording as with all the sound effects. Yeah, it's not cable. What's the point? No! Okay, guys. So we're going to start going into another video. And, another Roblox game. Haha! I got out before I died. Alright, so what should we play now? No one look at this. Me. Yeah. No one look, what game should we play?
Base Raiders.
There's a new game called Rumble Quest.
No,
but I think we'll...
It's a copy of Dungeon Quest.
Okay. Dig It?
How about...
We'll play Dig It in another video. I've never actually played Dig It.
Maybe you should play... what's it called again? Dungeon Quest. Or Treasure Quest.
That's the ugly... No offense, but that's the ugliest... This is literally the ugliest page I have ever seen. It's a boy face with girl hair. I think that's a story, backpacking.
Oh yeah, I've played it before. Join me.
No. Guys,
okay.
We have a challenge for you. Not to be leaving you hanging. But we only want to make videos for you guys if you like them. Yeah. So we'll leave you 10 likes on this video, and if you get 5 subscribers, that's great. Then that automatically counts. 10 likes on this video, and we will make another video where we play one of the 3 games I just mentioned. Either backpacking.
And sorry if our voice cracks.
Yeah.
This is literally our first video.
Yeah. So anyways. Yeah. In the comment section below. Please. Tell us which game you want us to play. It's between backpacking. Actually, I'm gonna put in backpacking islands or
what?
Let's do
Breaking.
Yeah. Or we'll do Break-In, which is a story.
Another game that is maybe.
It's pretty popular.
Yeah, it's very popular. Some people may think it's creepy. I don't blame them. It's not creepy Actually, it's not creepy at all. Scary Larry.
See you guys.
Creepy.
See you guys soon in another video.
Wait, we haven't even done our second.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it up to the viewers to because we don't want to make videos unless you guys like them.
Okay.
So vote in the comment section.
We may not get any subscribers on the first day because there is a time difference.
I hope you guys like our videos, and we will see you in our other videos in the future.
Bye.
So